This KaiMinDogz garage door torsion spring set is precisely sized for standard residential doors, giving do-it-yourself users a reliable one-to-one replacement option for worn factory springs. The springs are built from heat-treated professional-grade steel with aluminum cones, so they feel sturdy in hand and are designed to handle many opening and closing cycles without sagging early. A smooth black corrosion-resistant coating keeps the coils cleaner and helps the door operate quietly, which is especially noticeable in damp or dusty garages. The kit includes clearly matched left and right springs, along with non-slip winding bars and gloves, so you have the essential tools ready for a careful home installation. With the included instructions and properly sized components, someone with basic mechanical experience can swap out broken torsion springs and restore a balanced, easy-lifting door. The manufacturer emphasizes choosing the correct wire diameter, inside dimension, and length, which helps ensure safe operation and reduces the chance of premature failure.